Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to unbox a new package received from the IB by Sunil. So just unboxed it, so I'll show you the Beyblades what I have got. So these are the base guys. It's especially normal base. This layer I got it for a free. I just paid for this one. Okay, so let's remove the cover. I just fixed the bay. So guys, I just forgot one thing. Even he added the launcher also. It's a basic launcher as you can see. They have given the performance tip. It has a free spinning and it has a heavy metal for disc guys. And the energy layer. Fix the way guys. Now it's time for testing. So let's test this. It guys. As you can see, it's an attack type mode. So this is how it performs guys. Okay, now let's test with other way. So now I'm going to have a battle with the unlock unicorn. So let's have a try. First I'm going to launch the unlock unicorn because it has a high stamina and the beast behavior. Time battle has been failed. Now let's try another time. Unlock unicorn at first. The beast behemoth. This time unlock unicorn wins guys. Now let's try with the victory arcade. Take the victory arcade. So here we go. Oh, it's a combo one guys. So let's try with this only. First I'm going to launch the beast behemoth and the victory arcade. Touch our victory arcade wins guys. None of the time our beast behemoth wins against another bay. That was a disappointment, right? So guys, it was a test battle. There will be another unboxing video. It will be the most costliest way I ever bought compared to all these ways which I am having now. So guys, stay tuned, and that's the unboxing video for today. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day guys. Bye.